Good morning. This video is intended to show you how to convert a KMZ or KML file to a shapefile. So the two software programs we'll need is Google Earth and ArcMap. So I'm just going to show you this example KMZ that was given to us by, say, a client or coworker, and they want you to go out and investigate this area. So this is the first video of developing this into a shapefile so that we can then create a fishnet for our survey design. So you'll see here, this is the KMZ on Google Earth, and we'll call it lower pond area. The first step is opening ArcMap, and then we're going to go to our search tool over here, or you can go into your Arc toolbox as well, but it's going to be under the From KML toolset, KML to layer conversion. So what I'm going to do is simply open up the KMZ file. Notice here, can't use that output name because it's already been used from a previous example. So just to get rid of that, select an output name that's acceptable. I'm just actually going to save this in under documents for now and simply export it. What's going to happen is we're now going to have a polygon, but you can't see it. Now this polygon has no georeference properties. So what we're going to do now is we're going to export this data. Before doing that, you want to check your layers to see which your default coordinate system is. So we're going to use WGS84 for this. So what I'm going to do now is export the data and go to the example project folder, and then under received data, converted KMZ. What I'm going to do is make a shapefile out of this called lower pond area WGS84, indicating that that's the coordinate system it's in. So save that, and it's going to export to the same coordinate system as the layers. The data frame is what we want. So now we can export that, bring it in, and if we go to properties, we now have a WGS84 shapefile. So then this is in, we want to use a state plane for the fishnet because we're going to be using feet, and it's easier to generate fishnets with that. So what I'm going to do is actually make another file here. I'm going to project it to the coordinate system we're in. So I'm going to go to project under data management. So I'm going to bring in the lower pond area WGS84. I'm going to save it into the same project folder for now and call it NAD83, knowing it's going to be in the appropriate NAD83 output coordinate system. So here I already have it saved. We're going to use state plane New Mexico West FIPS 3003. If you need to go and navigate, you can go to add coordinate system, go new, go to heat projected. You can also import from other files that have the appropriate system, but in this case I have it saved under favorites. But again, if you needed to find it, you would go to projected coordinate system, state plane, NAD83 US feet, and then you go down to your respective region that you're at. So in this case, I'm just going to go to my favorites, go to New Mexico West, say OK, and now I'm going to say OK. So now what we have, you'll notice it's shifted because we're viewing it in WGS84. And so what we've done is we've taken a KML given to us by a client or colleague, and we've converted it into a WGS84 or NAD83 shapefile. And so that's what we need to do before we're going to generate this fishnet in the next video. Thank you.